tents, posted on the lawn. Occupying the quad is really against the law. And a reason to call in the police and their squad. Where does genocide land in your definition, huh? Destroying every college in Gaza and every mosque. Pushing everyone into Rafah and dropping bombs. The blood is on your hands, Biden, we can see it all. And fuck no, I'm not voting for you in the fall. Undecided, you can't twist the truth, the people out here united. Never be defeated when freedom's on the horizon. Yet the music industry's quiet, complicit in their platform of silence. What happened to the artist? What you gotta say? If I was on a label, you could drop me today. I'll be fine with it cause the heart fed my page. I wanna ceasefire.
Gabon deizuela guztioi, ez dugu ez ahaztuko gaur astelena eta ahaztu gabe Palestina. Milioi bat desplazatu baina gehiago Israel Gazan gauzatzen ari den genozidioaren ondorio.